To sort best places public transportation. Start by understanding the different modes of transportation available, including buses, trains, and subways. BestPlaces is a website that provides information on various cities and their transportation systems, allowing users to compare and evaluate different places based on their transportation options. First, visit the BestPlaces website and select the city you are interested in. Once you have selected a city, navigate to the transportation section, where you will find an overview of the city's public transportation system. This section will provide information on the different types of transportation available, including the frequency of buses and trains, and the coverage area of the transportation system. Next, use the sorting options provided on the website to compare different transportation modes. For example, you can sort by the cost of a monthly pass, the frequency of buses and trains, or the coverage area of the transportation system. This will allow you to evaluate the different transportation options and determine which one is best for your needs. In addition to sorting by different criteria, you can also use the website's mapping feature to visualize the transportation system. This will allow you to see the location of bus and train stops, and the routes that different transportation modes take. This can be especially helpful if you are trying to determine which transportation mode is closest to your home or workplace. When evaluating public transportation options, there are several key concepts to consider. One of the most important is frequency, which refers to how often buses and trains run. A transportation system with a high frequency is generally more convenient, as it allows users to travel at a time that is convenient for them. Another key concept is coverage area, which refers to the geographic area that the transportation system serves. A transportation system with a large coverage area is generally more useful, as it allows users to travel to a wider range of destinations. To get the most out of the BestPlaces website, it is a good idea to use the sorting options in conjunction with the mapping feature. For example, you can sort by the cost of a monthly pass, and then use the mapping feature to see which transportation modes are available in your area. This will allow you to evaluate the different transportation options and determine which one is best for your needs and budget. By following these steps, you can effectively sort BestPlaces public transportation and make informed decisions about which transportation mode is best for you. Remember to consider key concepts such as frequency and coverage area, and to use the website's sorting options and mapping feature to evaluate the different transportation options. With a little practice, you will be able to navigate the BestPlaces website and find the public transportation information you need.